Hello, welcome. So in this video we have to cover at least 3 points on the guitar. So I'm sure everyone by now knows all the open strings. We have the E, we have B, we have G, we have D, we have A, and we have E. Instead of us, playing that only one open string, let's try to play as an open chord. Okay, here's our E. Okay, then we have B. We have G. And we have D. A. We have E again. 1, 2, 3, go. And then now we move to the second position on the 5th fret. So we have A. Here's our A. Then we will go to E. Here's the E. We have C there. So here's our C. So here we hold our C like this. So now we have this C. We have this C. And we have this C. Okay, so next we have G. Here's our normal open G that we play. So here's how we hold our G. So G. Then we have D. Here's our D on this 5th fret. If you remember backwards, this is how we hold our D. And now we have A. Okay, so A, you can play it as this chord shape, or you can play it as a bar chord. So another position is the 8th fret. This one I think is also important because most Sungura guys, they like the chord C, or to start in C. So try to, these shapes that we use here, try to find them here, on this 8th fret. Like, okay, here's our C, here's C, and build a chord from there. I want you to try this. This will help you. The shapes that we've already played, from the first position to the second position, are the same one that we need to play here. So yeah, just remember this as your boundary. Right? So if you start from the low string, from the high string, build it from there. Build your chord from there. Build your chord from there. Sometimes when you go to these lower strings, you kind of build your chord going from that lower string going down. Or if you are on these high strings here, you kind of build your chord from there coming this way. Okay, so okay, let's just give you the chords here, just the chord names, but I want you to try this. So C, then the next one will be G. So your G already is here. So try to find for a shape that you give you the G. Here's our G. So you can see that. By the way, that shape, it's like how you hold your open C. You just barring with this index finger here, like here. So try that, and then next we have E flat, which is E. So we have C, we have G, we have E flat, we have B flat, we have F, and then we have C. So try to build your chords from there. From if you check on 12, it's just the same as here, but you'll be applying mostly what you are playing between number 2 and number 3, especially number 2 and number 3, yeah, but all from 1 to 3. So try that. Next video I will try to teach you how you can memorize all the chord notes on the guitar, or how you can teach yourself. So see you in the next video. I hope this video was helpful.